Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. We'll be starting with the GBP USD. On this chart, we have a very good resistance level here. We have a very good support here. You can see we had a support, we had a support, we had a support, and we have a resistance here. So overall, we do have an uptrend based on the moving average, but the other indicator showing us a sell, the custom indicator we're having. So that would mean that there's mixed reaction. If the price breaks above this line, the line we have at the top here, then that will be a sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. And in case the price breaks below this lower line, then that would be a sign that we are now headed short, at least up to this target here. So the idea will be to either wait for price to ascend beyond this line so that you can pick a buy position, or you below this level so that you can pick a sell position, expecting the sellers to push price downwards at least up to this point here. So that's my opinion on Euro USD. The next chart which I'd like us to look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. On this chart also we do have a range. We have a resistance level there. We have a support level here. So looks like for the past 2 days also the price has been within this range. So we either wait for price to clearly break below this zone, the one which I've just drawn now, that is below this level, so that you can pick a sell position, or we wait for price to break above this level so that you can pick a buy position. Or if the price hits this upper line but does not close above it, then this will give us a good place to look for a sell from. We are expecting that the sellers will push price downwards back towards this trend line here. The other chart is a GBP USD. This looks like we are in some good uptrend. We have that there, and then we have this one. So we have a very good trend line. We have a resistance, we have a support, we expect that if the price goes up and touches this upper line, that may act as a good resistance to look for a sell from. Or if the price pulls down and touches the lower line, then this may give us a good place to look for a buy from. So you either wait for a sell along this upper line, or you wait for a buy when the price touches the lower trend line. My next chart is gold. Gold so far, we are in a very good uptrend. As you can see, we have the price moving, it's giving us higher highs. So this is a very good example of Elliott waves. You see we have an uptrend, there is a correction, and then we have another uptrend, then there is a correction, then we have another uptrend before we can expect another correction. So it looks like every time the price pulls back slightly, it goes up intensely. Every time it pulls down, it goes up intensely. The same thing we expect to be happening around this area here. So keep looking for buy positions on gold. Expect that the buyers may push price upwards at least up to this target here. This target is actually 1808.92. So expect a buy up to this level, where in case the price breaks above it, we will see the price continue even higher. The next chart is Brent oil. On Brent oil, so far we had consolidations. The price is still consolidating. You can see that this is a very good shape. So on the upper side looks much more clearer. So the best would be to wait for price around this area so that you can pick a sell position, or you wait for price to break above it, then you trace back before you can pick the next buy position. My other chart is SP500. So you remember what I mentioned yesterday on this chart, that we are actually looking for buy positions, but we would want that the price may first of all break above this level before we can confirm that buy position. But as it is now, this is still some short-term downtrend. Even though the price is bullish, we have a higher high, a lower high, a lower high, and if the price gets to this level but does not break above it, then that may as well act as a very good lower high. So you may sell it here, or expect the price to break above it, retrace back before you can continue to the upper side.